How to use the polling feature in your Google Meeting. So to click on the activities, it's the triangle, square, circle, and then go into polls. These can be done ahead of time before class, but this is how to make it. Click on Start a Poll, ask a question, and then think of your options. You can add more options if you wish. Save it. That's what you would do before class. Once it's saved, now you can launch it. This is from a student's view. They will see a pop-up, and they also can get to it. They'll see a green dot beside the activities. Where they go there, they'll see a green dot beside polls, and here's the poll. So they could answer the poll and then hit vote. Meanwhile, other students will also answer the poll. The instructor can see it while it's being voted on. And then if they wish, they could show the results. So if they click on that show results, what a student would see, they would now see the results. However, the next time that you're in the next class, that poll will not be there anymore. If you go into activities and polls, you'll have to start again, and it doesn't save between sessions. It only saves if you started it and saved it at the beginning of the session before the students arrived.